everybody. I just want to come on and show you this promotion box that I received. I did not know I was receiving this, but here it is. Beautiful box. So it opens like this, which is really, really nice. You have this little thing here written about Nella May Carter is an immortal travel writer who has spent her life in a perpetual transit and in pursuit of beauty ever since being bestowed a gift from death at the crossroads, endless wealth, and freedom from the Carter family of Georgia, who owned her at the height of American chattel slavery. Bored with humanity, Nella's beauty and capacity to find love in hellish circumstances caught Death's attention, and he lures her into a Faustian bargain to prove to him that true love exists and humanity is worth saving. But a deal with death doesn't come without a price. If she fails to entertain death, she must surrender herself to him as his eternal love. So this is the box, y'all. So you open this up and you have this little card. Dear reader, I'm thrilled to introduce you to the wondrous life and loves of Nella Carter. The story began with a question: if death offered you a chance to save humanity, what proof of goodness would you find? In a world that often feels fractured, writing this book challenged me to search for what still makes us worth saving. Through Nella's journey, I found my answer: our creativity, our capacity for connection, and the small moments that give life meaning across centuries and continents. Nella documents love and loss that define her existence. I hope you'll find in these pages what I did while writing them. Proof that even in darkness, love endures. May love and a wondrous life always find you. And it's signed the author. Okay, so that's what we have there. All right, and then we have very cool postcards of Paris. I love myself a good postcard now. This is a really lovely postcard. And this one is a really, I like it says Zazzle on the back. So I guess they're the ones that are making the cards. And then it has this one right here, 1870s Paris, the city of transformation where boulevards, cafes, and salons thrived amid artistic and political change. Impressionist painters, writers, and musicians shaped a vibrant cultural scene while the city's streets buzzed with innovation, fashion, and energy. In 1901, London was a vast, bustling city at the height of the Edwardian era, blending tradition and modernity. The tea trade and global commerce fueled its wealth and influence, while theaters, clubs, and salons pulsed their cultural life. All right, so we got Paris and London. Now, there's so much stuff in here. So first thing, we have this really cool pen. Yeah, very nice. It says electric postcard entertainment. It's even got like a little thing here, like if you want to use it on your computer. Okay, here we have a little surprise. I'm not sure what's in here, so we're going to kind of rip through here and see what's... Okay, looks like this might be a perfume or something. Oh my God, look at this. But it looks like it's some kind of, let's see, like an oil or a balm. Ooh, it smells so good. Oh my God. It's like you roll it, on your, like that. Oh my God, that smells good. Okay. All right. Next, we have this, which looks like the bottom of a tea service or something. Let's see. Here, we have all kinds of tea in here, y'all. Earl Grey teas from Twinings. Very nice. Okay, and here we have, let's see what we got. Here we have, this is, Sadaf black tea, special black tea. Okay, very nice as well. All right, and then here we have another one. More tea, y'all. This one is Good One Tea, Authentic Assam Tea. So it's like a black, nice black tea. Okay, this is nice. All right. Oh my goodness, look at this. Y'all, look at this. We have a wax seal. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so this is the stick of wax. And this is the seal. And the seal has on it the fleur-de-lis. Oh, very nice. I love that. I love a good seal and some wax. Love that. Okay, so that is what is here. Very nice, that. All right, and then we have here, I'm going to need my scissors to get this open because, all right, like this. And like, ooh, look at this. Come on, y'all. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It's like a little tiny journal, like a little secret journal. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. Adorable. Okay, and then we have as well, we have, I think these were together. This is like a, these are like stamps, I think. And here we have, these are water brush pens, which I love water brush pens, and tons of little paper clips, which I also love. This is really nice. My goodness, they went over the top with this. And then, oh my God, look at the beautiful book. Hardcover and everything. Oh my God, look how beautiful it is. Oh, gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Beautifully done. Okay, here we go. Let me see the, oh, here she is. She's beautiful. Brioni Wasu. So she's the author of this book. So it's Lake Union Publishing that sent this to me. My goodness. I was not expecting this. Really, really beautiful box. And you see you have all the little blue stuff down there. And this cute little box. My goodness. My goodness, a spoiled to no end. I really, really thank the publishers for this beautiful promotion box. Everybody should be looking out for Brioni's book, The Wondrous Life and Loves of Nella Carter. I'll put on screen when this book is coming out so that you can get it and support this author. I think this is her debut. So go ahead and get your book, The Wondrous Life and Loves of Nella Carter. I thought it was coming out in 2026, but it actually came out in 2025. But this box was a really big surprise. I really want to thank them for sending me all of this lovely stuff. Just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Well done, well done, well done. So I will be giving you a review on this book as soon as I can get to it. I probably will try to get to it next month, since next month is Read So Lit, February Black History Month in the U.S. So thanks so much for taking the time to watch this beautiful unboxing. I hope this adds another new book to your TBR list. And I'll see you really soon with another video. Bye-bye.